What is going on, guys? It is Aiden here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a botting system. You can be in a blank base plate, or you can be in your game already, doesn't matter. Just add a script in a workspace by clicking on the plus by workspace and click on script. You need to get teleport service and your game ID. So to do that, we'll do local teleport is equal to game :get service teleport service. Pretty simple. So what we're doing right there is we're getting the game, which is outside of workspace, and then we're getting a service, which is everything in here basically. Everything is a service, and everything that's outside of that. And then we're getting teleport service. So now let's do local game ID. And before we can do anything with that, we need to publish this game so that we can get our game ID. Create game bot system. Once you have published your game, you want to open up another studio tab, click on My Games, and you'll see your game right there. Right click on it and click Open Place Page, and then you will have your game open right here. Now at the top of the screen, you will see roblox.com/games/ a bunch of numbers and then / your name. So up here we just want to double click on the numbers, right click, copy, and then go back into our studio. And once you made it back to your studio script, we'll just do equals and then paste your game ID. That's simple. Now after this, we need to do some more complicated stuff. Don't worry, if you don't really know how to script, I'll explain this to you. We'll start off with game.players. Actually, I take this back. Let's do a function on added. You can call this function whatever you want, just make sure to add the parameters right here. And inside of these parameters, we're gonna get the player, just like that. Now right here, just click enter to add the end at the bottom, and now let's start scripting this. So this part is pretty simple. It shouldn't get too complicated. If you're confused at all, please just let me know in my Discord server and I can help you. But what we're doing right now is we're creating a function. That's all we're doing. There's nothing else that I need to explain right here. So inside of here, let's do if player.name is not equal to, and then inside of here inside of these parentheses or quotes, actually we're gonna put your username. So this is my main account username, and after this we'll do then, and this is an if then statement. So if this player's.name is not equal to main username, then we're gonna have the player teleport, because if we don't add this, then anybody that joins the server is going to get teleported to the game again, and then the server is going to close, which is a massive problem that I figured out about. So in here we'll just do teleport game ID, player. Simple as that. That's all we're doing for a minute here. So what we're doing right here is we're creating a function, and inside this function we're making an if statement to make sure that the main account player, it does not get teleported. Then if the main account, and if the player's username is not equal to the main account username, then teleport the player. Now down here we're going to do game.players.playerAdded : connect, and then inside of here we're going to do on added. Simple as that. This is the entire script. Let's go test this out. Oh, one thing I forgot to add. Before we do the if statement, let's do wait 1.5. Just because if you don't do that, then Roblox will not allow the teleport. And last thing, go back into your studio, go to your game, right click on it, and click make public. This is just so that the bot accounts can play the game, and so that you can get your visits. So now let's go into our Roblox page, go to our profile, and you'll see the game is public. Click on it and then click play. Now that we're in our game, if you did the script right, then you'll be walking around just fine. there will be no problems with you rejoining. Now if we click F9 on our keyboard, go to server, you'll see there are no errors popping up. That is a really good thing. Now the next step for this to work, you have to close your Roblox page, go to the download link in the description. I promise you this link is not sketchy, it's completely safe, I use it. Download the file. Once you've downloaded the file, make sure to unzip it. And once it's unzipped, you will see all of these buttons. Just click on this one right here, it is the .exe file. I'll ask you to create a password just to be safe. I already have mine created and everything. You've created your password. Once you've created your password, you should have a page that looks just like mine but with no players in here. I actually created a lot of accounts just so that my botting could go quicker. But to add an account, you just click on the add account button. A Roblox page should show up and then you just log in with your username and password. I promise you it's completely safe. I'm not hacked or anything. Everything is fine. Make sure to not add your main account on here, because if you do that, then you're gonna have problems. Right side, right where it says username, add your main account username so that your bot accounts can follow your Roblox username, follow your main account into any game and bot it. So once you have your accounts created, I'm just gonna do one account right now. Click on it and click follow. And now if I join this bot system game right here, then the account should follow me. As you can see, the account is joining and leaving over and over and over again. It's that simple, guys. There's so many other tutorials that I've seen that overcomplicate things, where you have to download this file, override your entire game. It's awful. It's this simple. Once you're finished botting your game, you can just go back into your workspace, go into your game, find the script that you were working on, and just click and disable it. It's that simple. You can enable and disable it whenever you want. We'll leave a model in the description if you don't want to script this yourself. That is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. Later.